Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link down below that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great way to keep an eye on your property or your home, and that is, it is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. So this is the wired Gen 2 camera. So if you have the older version, you're thinking about upgrading, or you're looking to get a security camera, you've come to the right place, because we're gonna go over all the details in what you get with it. So first off, it's gonna come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're gonna get instruction manuals. We're telling you all the features here in the video. You're gonna get a nice way to mount this. So first off, you're gonna get 6 little mounting clips. So if you wanna run that cable nice and secure, for example, down the side of your garage, you can do that. You're gonna get plenty of anchors and plenty of screws. So they give you plenty of ways to mount it, which is very, very nice. The ball part on the attachment, though, you're gonna put this wherever you want on the eave of your house or anything. Just simply put in 2 screws on the back. It just simply slides in place and clicks, so that way it is nice and secure. And then it will attach to the camera via very strong magnet. This thing is not going anywhere. You can have, I've had this outside in hurricane, it's not going anywhere. But you can position it however you want. So for example, like, right, so if it's up on the higher eave, you can position it where it's facing down, or if it's on the sidewall, you can position it basically wherever you want, because the whole backside is made out of a nice metal part, and it allows you to adjust the magnet, which is really, really cool. Now, as far as the camera itself, you're gonna have a speaker on the bottom. You're gonna notice you're gonna have a little wing cord here, and then you're gonna have a plenty of extra cable. So you're gonna have about 18 feet of extra cable here, which means you can get to an outlet far away, which is super nice. And this is all made to go outside, so it's completely weather resistant. It can get rained on, it can get snow, it can get dust, all that fun stuff. And then as you can see, there is the camera itself, and then above it is a little light. The light will turn on and it'll show green if it is basically detecting movement and recording. So it's a little safety feature. You'll know if it's basically recording you or not, but then you have the nice lens there. So let's go over the actual audio quality or video quality of this thing, because if you're thinking about upgrading or getting a new security camera, obviously that is the most important. This thing has had some big changes, especially if you have the older versions out there. So first off, this is a 2K HDR quality camera. That means it's going to be basically putting out 2560 by 1440 when it comes to the resolution at 30 frames per second. As far as the encoding, it's utilizing basically the H2.64 or the H2.65, which is the newer protocol, which basically that's just how it's transmitting, making sure it's being able to record, for example, high Blu-ray movies and all that uses that kind of stuff. Now, as far as the field of view, it's much wider field of view now. It's sitting at 152 degrees, so you can see a lot more in a range of things. Now, as far as it has a 6x digital zoom, which you can control through the app. So if you wish to zoom in, you can do that. It has a nice 6x digital zoom if you need to fine tune on something. And then the aspect ratio is a 16:9, which is basically your standard cell phone format. Now let's talk about at nighttime, because that's just as important as during the daytime. This thing does have built-in night vision with HDR, and it has 2 infrared lenses that are very bright. You don't see them, they're hidden behind the little plastic ring part that's sitting there on the side, so it can detect nice crisp clear picture up to about 20 feet. Now, an important thing with infrared, you want to make sure that it is in the open. You don't want to have it positioned where it's going to be looking like at a pillar, because then that light's going to bounce off that and bleed out everything. So you want to make sure it's not obstructed when you're setting this up at night. Make sure you're keeping it away from where that light will bounce back. So just make sure you fine tune it, which also, once again, makes it easy to adjust with the little magnetic back part on the end of it. Now, one of the other big differences with this model versus the past models is the brand new AI features. This thing is packed full of AI features. Now, that's obviously going to require you to have their home standard or their home advanced packages. That's going to unlock more things. So it's going to be able to identify a person It's going to be able to identify pets. You've got members of your household. All that stuff is going to be part of those AI features. However, you can also set it up if you have the advanced package where it will give you a brief synopsis of what happened during the day that the camera picked up, which is a pretty cool feature. You can do more advanced searching and things like that. So it's going to utilize their Gemini AI features to dive deeper into the footage if you want access to those abilities. Now, also with those standard and advanced packages, it's going to determine how long your basic footage is being saved. You're going to get 30 days if you get those little packages. Otherwise, you're going to get basically smaller clips. I think they're like 30-second clips where it's going to be saved for, I think it's like 6 hours or something like that. And then you have access to those and then it'll race over it. But if you have the home standard, you're going to get plenty of time as far as accessing that old footage and keeping track of it. But overall, the camera is also nice and compact and small. It comes in multiple colors. I just have the one that's here in white, which is snow. I'll give you an idea. It's basically a 3-inch in diameter and it's about 2 3/4 inches in depth. And like I said, very, very easy to install. Absolutely love the crisp, clear quality of it. And if you are thinking of upgrading, the big features is you're going to get a brighter picture, you're going to get a more bigger field of view, and you're going to get way more advanced AI features as far as the identification from packages to people, which is a really cool aspect of it. So if you're thinking about a new security camera or thinking of upgrading, I do think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do take a respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.